Welcome back. What I'm trying to do here, viewers, is in talking about our past videos and grouping the videos. Um, I'm now talking about the talk show aspect of my videos. When I started, I was doing a talk show for about 3 months before I changed to playing music. Not really that I know how to play any music, you know, I just decided that it's high time to play music. Got put it in my mind to play some music, and I had a flashback from when I was little. We talk about it, because Kokoro has something to do with it, and my memories have something to do with it. We are going to talk about it. In this segment, I want to tell you about the Nigerian Police House Fund. We did a video on that. We had about 140 viewers on that over the year, roughly about a year. Fight in the Battle Marketplace. We did two videos on that. We had about 350 viewers on that. That was good. Then on this area too, we did. I'm talking of talk shows, response to videos. I did a St. Patrick video. We didn't have much view on that because St. Patrick is a small holiday. You know. Apart from that, I was new in YouTube. I don't know how to tag and do stuff like that. So then finally, on this segment, I did a response to a Nigerian movie, Asha, ASA. That was a fantastic movie. And I went on to tell my viewers how fine those actresses and actors are in those Yoruba movies. I'm impressed about them, the way they carry themselves and the way they do their work. Unfortunately, we got about 680 viewers on that one. That's it. That shows you that African movie is very hot here in the United States and in the Western world. But unfortunately, I didn't get rated right on that. I got 1/5. I know because of the quality of my videos. The quality was terrible. I was new. I don't know. I don't have equipment. Up till now, we are still experimenting to see what is good. Anyway, thank you for viewing, and I know we are going to be getting more view as time goes on. On my first video in this segment, I used the Yoruba land, Ijebu land folk song soundtrack. So on this one, I'm going to use the Santa in Africa soundtrack that I made uh, during Christmas of 2009. And here we go. We got to have some jam on this one. Got to have some jam on this one. All right. Thank you.